Just thought this was really cool. This is from Panzer Arms. It's a semi-auto shotgun, 12 gauge, and it's got these sort of fiber optic rifle sights, which is very cool. Got a heat shield. We've got some onboard ammo storage, so you can store a few shells on here and load quickly. Total capacity is 6+1. We've got a rail for a light or a laser or whatever. We've got a sling swivel here. Got all kinds of cool features, but the coolest feature is when we retract this rear sight, the whole gun folds up. So you can fold it and store it under the seat of your truck or whatever, or toss it in a duffel bag or a backpack. Really easy storage, easy transport. I just thought that was cool. This is from Panzer Arms. It's one of those Turkish shotguns that's coming in now, and another section of rail right here. I like the color of the stocks. I think it's a really cool concept. I'm excited to see more of this in the future. So yeah, I think that Panzer folding shotgun is a really cool concept. Now, I'm not endorsing Panzer Arms. They have made some really cool products, innovative products in recent years, but they also, they're a Turkish manufacturer. They don't have a reputation necessarily for making really high quality stuff. I don't know, I've never owned one, never shot one. Those Turkish shotguns that are coming in, a lot of them are kind of weird, a lot of them are kind of cool and interesting, but a lot of them have a reputation of being rather low quality. James Reeves has had terrible luck with Turkish shotguns, found that they don't last long, they're not reliable, they just have lots and lots of things wrong with them. And I would in general be reluctant to buy any Turkish shotgun unless maybe it said Weatherby or CZ on it. The ones that they import seem to be pretty good, but a lot of the others really aren't. Now those Panzers may be quite good. I don't know. I've not had experience with them. But at the very least, I think they've got some cool innovations there. And if they're not making a quality product, I'm hoping somebody else will copy them, will take those ideas and run with them. Keltec for the longest time has been criticized for poor quality control, but Ruger took their design for the P3AT and came up with the Ruger LCP. I mean, it's essentially the same gun. It's a close copy. And so yeah, if a company like Keltec can come up with something innovative and then somebody else can do it better, I don't know that the Ruger version is better, but it may be. That's pretty great. And we see these companies kind of copying each other a lot in that way. I thought the Taurus Curve was a very cool concept, and I really wish that somebody like Ruger or Smith & Wesson would make one, because I would actually buy one. I won't buy one from Taurus, but I think it's a cool concept, and if somebody wanted to do it better than Taurus, yeah, I'd be in. I would want to try one. Taurus gave us the Judge, which I thought was a cool concept. I still think it's a cool concept. I don't know that it's actually all that useful, but I think it's a fun idea at the very least. But I don't like Taurus. Smith & Wesson gave us the Governor. That was their version, and yeah, I would buy one of those. I think it's a cool idea. I think it's a cool concept. So by the same token, if Panzer, I don't know if that's a quality product or not, but if it turns out not to be, I hope somebody else kind of takes that idea and runs with it and says, we can make a folding shotgun. Maybe Mossberg will make one. It's kind of a cool idea. So anyway, thought I would bring it to you. I thought it was neat. Saw it in the shop. They let me film it. Very nice of them. And I thought you guys would think it was neat too. Keep your powder dry.